Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start Audi A3 with key-only way. Insert the key fully, turn to position 2, watch the dash lights, and crank the engine smoothly. If the car resists, release and try again with deliberate steady pressure rather than force. Listen for fuel pump priming and ignition clicks before the engine fires. I'll guide you through each step in a calm, easy manner so you gain confidence. Start by confirming the car is in park or neutral and the steering wheel is unlocked. Sit comfortably, press the brake firmly, insert the key, and turn to crank while monitoring lights and sounds. If the engine does not start, pause for a few seconds between attempts to avoid draining the battery. Use steady, deliberate motions and do not force the key if it feels stuck, as that can damage the ignition. If the car doesn't start, first check the battery and terminal connections for corrosion or low charge. Listen for a brief fuel pump hum as you turn the key. Its absence can indicate a fuel or electrical issue. If the key sticks or spins without engaging, examine both the key and ignition cylinder for wear or debris and consider a spare key. These checks help narrow the problem quickly so you can get back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.